Hello all, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I am going to edit a photo as you see in the thumbnail. First, I will start with the Lightroom application and then I will use PicsArt application. Both apps you can get from the Play Store. So without late, let's get started. Open Lightroom app and import your image of your choice. Open the image, click on the light icon and adjust the things. After all this, click on color icon and follow the adjustments. Then click on the mix icon and do adjust hue, saturation, luminance for all the colors shown here. If you are feeling bored adjusting all this stuff, don't worry, I have provided a preset in the description where you can download, copy the settings to your photo in the Lightroom application itself. So now click on done, then click on grading icon and follow the adjustments. Click on done. Now click on effects icon, do changes like I do. And finally click on details, adjust the settings. So we are done with the background color. You can see the difference. Tap and hold on the screen. Cool, na? Now click on share icon and click on save to device and then OK. So we are done with the Lightroom application. Now open the saved image in the PicsArt application. Click on add image. Add original image over this existing one. Carefully click on erase icon, click on invert, click on restore, adjust the size hardness of your choice. Now draw over the object which is to be colored. Careful at the edges so you can get the perfect output. After restoring, you can confirm it by clicking on invert icon. If it is fine, then click on done. Now click on effects, click on colors Click on color replace. Select the object and replace the color of your choice by adjusting the settings. After confirming the color, click on done. Now click on adjust. Now click on adjust icon and adjust the brightness, contrast, clarity, saturation, etc. of your choice. After all this, click on done. Now you can see the difference before and after by tap and hold on the screen. Finally save your image. Done. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another tutorial video. Until then, bye.